So today we'll be doing a little bit of river rafting. So pretty excited for this. Ready to depart for our rafting adventure. And I think this is Thuong's first time doing something like this. こういうことするの初めて。楽しみ。
楽しみだ。クイズは？
もう何回もやったことあるからまあまあ。でも楽しみだよ。
一緒にやろう。
一緒にやろう。行こう。行こう。Another important thing, if you're worried about valuables, they do have a good number of lockers here. Free to use, just grab a key and you're free to use it. Good enough space in there for most stuff, but try not to bring too much luggage. We got our helmets. So it looks like I might be able to strap my GoPro on top of one of these. That's it for this camera, switching to the GoPro. See ya. Alright, just finished the river rafting with Thuong, and a bit more intense than I expected. Let's see what she thought. どうだった?
楽しかったよ。超怖かった。
怖かった。
またやりたい。
またやりたい。またやろう。
またやろう。
We're soaking wet in our clothes right now, and we're gonna just rush off over to the hot spring resort, which is pretty nearby here, just like a kilometer or two away. So we're just gonna ride there in our wet clothes. Here we are at the hot springs park. Let's go check it out. And here's the view from the restaurant area. Gonna take a quick break, grab something to eat before we head off to the water park. And our lunch for today arrived. So I guess this is one of this region's local foods. So the flat, long noodles with some chicken. Looks pretty good. いただきます。
いただきます。
Apparently Thuong's never been in a pool before, so this will be her first time. びっくり!
うるさい。
恥ずかしい?
うるさい。
ねえ、プールに入ったことない女、初めて会った。
地元はないよ。日本にもまあ行ったことない。
そろそろ入ろう、プールに。
プールはビキニフィッシュとでの。
ん？
普通入れない。
え？どこに？
プール。
プールに？
うん。
その服で？
うん。
オッケーだって。
オッケーだって。
いいね。行こう。
15分だけ。
ああ。
足。